Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon na naman. Good afternoon, everyone. Malapit na pala mag 1 o'clock. Oh my God, it's 12:44 p.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Hello, happy Saturday. Kumusta po ang weekend natin? I hope you guys are having fun with your family. You're enjoying life, di ba? Si Tita po ito. Happy Saturday. Weekend na naman. And I hope you had a fantastic week. Pauwi pa lang ako. Nag-double class ako today. Kaya wala ang aking assistant. Wala ang aking assistant. But anyhow, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope you are having an amazing weekend. And you're happy, you're healthy. And you're enjoying life with your family. Na-drive na naman tayo. But anyhow, wala ang aking assistant, but I am going to meet them, my boys, because mag-apple picking kami this afternoon. Beautiful day. Kaya take advantage natin. Beautiful weekend. 23 degrees po dito sa Ontario, Canada. But anyhow, yeah, so shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. I really appreciate you guys sa inyong mga comments sa aking mga posts, sa inyong Maria, thank you for watching, sa inyong mga pag-share sa aking mga posts, yeah, engagement nyo, thank you Nila, thank you ladies, thank you for watching, kala-live ko lang. So yeah, but anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is all about, we'll talk about family time. We'll talk about family today. Kasi dati kasi weekend ko talaga is, Ana, thank you for watching. Weekend ko talaga is super busy. Because I was working in the resort. So of course ang weekend at saka holidays yun ang pinaka-busy pinakahaba na oras ko sa work before. Pero nabago na yan. Hindi na ako nagtatrabaho ng weekend. Yes. It's because binago ko. Nasa sa atin yun. Kaya nilagay ko dyan for hardworking people. Because talagang dapat naman talaga na mag-work tayo, di ba? For hardworking people is talagang family time. Especially kung sa weekend, kasi of course weekend talaga ang ano natin, because especially if our kids are in school, so yun ang pinaka so hindi ko yan nagagawa dati because I was working. So most of the families, especially kung nagwo-work ka in hospitality, sa tawag nun, especially sa mga resorts or yung sa places na talagang 24 hours ang operation. So, ang weekend talaga is not always na off ka. Diba? Kasi ganun din naman ako sa Pilipinas dati. More info, please. Yeah! May mga inquiries na naman ako na nagpapap. Kasi ganun din naman ako dati. Kahit sa Pilipinas pa, yung sa work ko is sa electronics kasi ako. 24/7 ang operation yan. So not all weekend na off ka. Sometimes kahit yung mga nagwo-work sa call center, ganun din yun. Diba? So ang ano talaga is ang weekend is hindi lahat na nakakapag-off ng weekend. Alma, thank you for watching. So yeah, so kaya nilagay ko diyan, hardworking people is talagang mahirap na magkaroon tayo ng family time na kung kailan natin gusto. Because of course, we have to ask permission from our boss, all of those things, di ba? Or minsan, kailangan pa natin kumuha ng karelyebo natin, di ba? Yan yung mga bagay na talagang tawag nun? Balakid na sasabihin na natin na hindi talaga feasible sometimes, na kahit minsan masama ang pakiramdam ng anak natin, hindi natin hindi natin nabibigyan ng time. It's because we are working, di ba? So ako talagang grateful ako, kaya nilagay ko dyan is for hardworking people. Kaya grateful ako na gumawa ako ng hakbang. So that is when I started my online business. So most of you guys na andito, what is going on here? Oh boy, looks like kaya pala mabagal. Looks like may accident dito, guys. Kaya mabagal ang aming takbo. Traffic. Yes. Oh boy. I hope everyone is okay. Oh no. Sorry, guys. Oh no. Ay. I hope they're okay. Yeah, but anyhow, sorry guys, na-distract ako. Yeah, that's why ma-traffic. Kaya ganun. Yeah, but anyhow, yun ang ano ko diyan, yan ang ibig ko sabihin. So, kung ano man yun, kasi nasa sa atin talaga yun. Kaya sinabi ko diyan, what you do about it is nasa sa iyo yan. If you want to make it happen, then you can do something about it. You can, I'm not saying na you can start an online business, or because for me that was my outlet. Okay, so that is when I managed to walk away from my full-time job sa resort. Kaya wala na akong weekend because I did my Norma, thank you ladies for watching. Gumawa talaga ako ng paraan kung paano ko mabago yun, kasi talagang nagigilty ako noon na lagi na lang yung on the weekend nasa bahay ang anak ko naiiwan. If not, nag-work din siya doon sa work ko before, but then ang work niya, Lucia, thank you for watching, ang work niya is 5 hours lang, whereas ako is na 9 to 10 hours. So ang nangyayari, nag-iintay din siya sa office ko, di ba? Para ako matapos. So talagang ano ako doon, sabi ko, no, it has to change. So nasa sa atin yun. Kaya sinabi ko po diyan, what you do about it, what you do to make it happen, kung talagang gusto mo, is it's up to you. You can either, of course, you can either look for another job na magbibigay sa iyo ng weekend work, na magbibigay sa iyo ng schedule na hindi masyadong stricto. You know what I mean? You can either do that, or you do something na work from home, or a business na like na ginagawa ko, or something different. So it's up, nasa sa atin talaga yun kung ano ang gagawin natin to change it. Kasi, pero talagang nasa mentalidad natin yan. Kasi mostly sa atin is parang i-accept na lang na ganito na ang buhay, ganun lang talaga. Could you tell me more? Wow. Ang dami kong, maraming nagpa-pop up sa aking screen asking for more information sa aking business, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So, what you do about it, because mostly sa atin talagang ina-accept na lang na ganun ang buhay, ganito, ganyan, kailangan na mag-work. Yes, kailangan natin mag-work, but there are options. There are options out there na kaya nating gawin kung tayo ay talagang masipag na maghanap kung ano yung option na gagawin natin, kung ano man yung hakbang, what it takes para mabago yung sitwasyon natin. Yes, we can. We can do it. Nagawa ko. So, you can too. Diba? Ganun lang yun. But anyhow, for me, because ang outlet ko now is ang akin ngang negosyo. Yay! Yeah, ang aking business. So, yan. Kaya nagawa ko na hindi na iniwan ko yung aking full-time job sa resort, and then nag-work pa rin ako pero part-time na lang, and then yung schedule ko rin is very very flexible. No weekend at all. So, ang weekend ko is talagang ganito na lang. Nagtuturo ako because I love teaching. Hindi ko iiwanan yan. Ang aking ako fitness at aking cardio classes, hindi ko iiwanan yan. Basta't kaya ng katawan, gagawin ko yan because it helps me. It keeps me in shape, and then gusto ko rin talaga. So which is love na love ko yan, kaya ayokong bitawan yan. It makes me happy, it makes me active, it makes me lots of advantages, of course, para sa akin personally, and then of course maganda rin ang aking, because I can ask my price. Right? So, ganun lang dapat yun. Dapat tayo yung nagde-decide kung ano ba talaga ang gusto natin. Hindi yung basta na lang masasagot ka na lang ng email, yes, gagawin ko yan. Kahit hindi ko gusto, gawin ko yan. No. Tapos na ako dyan. Tapos na ako dyan. I love my my regular job as well. I love it. So, talagang so yeah, kaya ngayon on the weekend ito lang ginagawa ko on Saturday na nagtuturo. Pagka hindi ako double class, kasama ko si RJ, of course, yung anak ko, but kung double class ako, naiiwan siya sa bahay, pero nandun naman yung aking mister, and then after that we do something as a family. So yeah, so today naghihintay yun sa akin na mag-apple picking kami today. And then ang Sunday is wala, at church lang yun. Kami lang talaga. Yeah, so anyhow, yan ang ibig kong sabihin diyan sa caption ko. So, because mostly talagang siguro how many percentage na talagang mostly of us is nagtatrabaho ng super todo-todo. Kung meron ngang iba, meron ka doon sa isang trabaho mo is Monday to Friday, pero nagpipick up ka pa rin ng weekend mo. Diba? Para lang magkaroon ng extra kita. Ganun ang ginawa ko nung 2 years ako dito sa Canada. Nani ako Monday to Friday, on Saturday and Sunday naglilinis ako ng ibang bahay. Yun ang life ko dati. At that time wala pa si RJ, wala pa dito ang anak ko. So I'm okay. I'm okay with that. Pero nung dumating siya, no, I need to change something. Kaya yun ang ginawa ko. Gumawa ako ng hakbang. So yes, fortunately nakakita ako ng business na talagang it works with my schedule. It helps me grow personally. So talagang talagang perfect fit talaga sa akin ang online business ko, so which is super amazing. So yeah, but anyhow, I hope it makes sense, guys. So nasa sa atin talaga yun. At the end of the day, tayo ang magdidesisyon kung anong gusto natin gawin sa buhay natin, diba? Ganun lang yun. And of course, guidance from the Lord, of course, and atin talagang tiyagain kung ano talaga yung gusto natin, because maraming balakid, but don't focus on that. Focus on something that will help you, not only financially, but it will help you grow as well sa sarili mo. Dapat talagang kung ano man yung gagawin mo, dapat masaya ka, dapat nag-grow ka din. Ibig ko sabihin na nagle-learn ka something different every single day. Yun bang yung ginagawa nyo na matcha-challenge kayo? Yun ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa online business ko. Because at the end of the day, yes, of course, na andyan, madi-disappoint ka sometimes, because if you're learning something different, there's a lot of experimentation, something like that, but I'm grateful because ang aming training is very easy to follow, and we have a lot of we have the global community na we can ask talaga for guidance. But of course, it depends on our personality. So we have to make it happen with our, na maging aligned doon sa personality natin. So, yeah, so na andoon yun, minsan na-disappoint ka, but you know what, ang dami kong naranasan na gano'n, na-disappoint ako, but I still keep pushing. And then pagka nakuha ko na talaga yung gusto ko, na talagang na-achieve ko yung gusto ko ma-achieve, oh my God, I'm so happy. I feel great inside, na sabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya mo. Yes. So, kasi kung hindi tayo gagawa ng panibago, magi-stay tayo sa ating comfort zone, ganun lang. Pero we can do things na marami pa tayong malalaman, we have to keep evolving para mas maraming oportunidad ang magiging open sa atin. So yan ang pinakagusto ko dito sa aking online business, because I learn a lot of things. I learn something new every single day. So, which is amazing. Yung bang matcha-challenge ka, and then pagka nakuha mo na, tingin mo sa sarili mo, Liza, thank you for watching. Tingin mo sa sarili mo, ay, hindi ko yata kaya ito. Pero pag ginawa mo na, inumpisahan mo na, and then nakuha mo, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Super happy ako na sasabihin ko yan. Yeah, sinasabi ko yan sa sarili ko, see, you can do it. So yes, sasabihin ko rin sa inyo, yes, you can. kaya niyong baguhin kung ano man yung sitwasyon yung kung kayo ay nasa sitwasyon na yung work niyo ay hindi niyo gusto, na yung nagigilty kayo na hindi niyo napagbigyan ng time ang mga anak niyo. Kung kayo ay talagang nag-work na parang kayod kalabaw na pero wala pa ring asenso ang buhay, yes, maybe it's time to look for something different. Maybe it's time to stretch kung ano yung nalalaman natin para magkaroon tayo ng more opportunities para sa buhay natin. So maybe ganun. So anyhow, ayan, marami talagang pag-inspired ako, hindi ako tawag doon. Dire-diretso ako magsasalita. But anyhow, thank you ladies. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig nyo. I hope it makes sense. But of course, I'm always open na kung meron kayong topic na gusto natin pag-usapan, let me know. And then, kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung negosyo na ginagawa ko, yes, my website is in my business page. All you have to do po is sign up with your name and email address. And ang aming back office na po ang magpapadala ng information sa inyo. And then, after that, then feel free to reach out kung may mga question kayo. Yeah, so, anyhow, I hope it makes sense, guys. But anyhow, hindi na ako magtatagal. I am 5 minutes away para i-meet ang aking dalawang paboritong lalaki. And we'll go apple picking. It's a beautiful day. But anyhow, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. And maraming salamat again. Maraming salamat na sinasamahan niyo ako. So thank you. And enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Happy Sunday na rin for tomorrow. And then yeah, so God bless everyone and take care. Thank you po.